Hey guys, this is the Wolfbox G900 Tri-Pro. Let's check it out. This is a brand new item from Wolfbox. It's got 3 cameras. The front camera is 4K, the rear camera is 2.5K, and the bumper camera is 1080p. All right, let's see what's in the box. Really nice box. Oh yeah, there it is. That's what's so cool about the Wolfbox. These guys have designed a rear view mirror dash cam. It just looks really nice in the cabin. It fits right where your rear view mirror would fit. Look at that. Look how nice this thing is. There's your inputs and outputs, your SD card slot. Look how cool that thing looks. It's like a rear view mirror. That's the 4K camera, guys, right there. Sees everything in front of you. A dash cam is a good idea to have, guys. Every time you get in your car and turn your car on, it's running. Let's go ahead and connect the power. We're gonna plug this in first. There's the main power slot right there. Wolfbox. Oh, look at that beautiful screen. Wow, that's so cool. Hook up the rear camera. See how it automatically splits the screen so you can see both camera views right now. And I think you can talk to the screen and say, front camera. Check that out. It goes to the front camera, rear camera. There's the rear camera. All right, front camera. Look at how beautiful that camera is, guys. Okay, let's get the bumper camera hooked up. All right, guys, so it comes with 3 cameras. We've got the front camera, which is connected to the actual device. It's right here. And you can move it. It moves around, so you can get it just right where you want it to. Up or down, side to side. And it's a beautiful camera. You can see how nice and detailed it is. This is also a touchscreen, so you can pick all your different functions here. There's all the settings, display modes, sound record, loop recording, G sensor, fatigue reminder, which is pretty cool, Wi-Fi, volume setting, click tone, screensaver, screen brightness, exposure, and there's more. Those are the things that it's already recorded. These are all the clips. And you can adjust how long these clips are. Right now they're set to 1 minute, but lots of really cool stuff. We're gonna hook up to Wi-Fi and we're gonna use the app. See, it's recording right now. Look at how clear that is. You can see a tiny little airplane flying on the screen there. Here's the bumper camera. That's the 1080p one that we're gonna run to the bumper. And it plugs in with this outlet here. All right, and you can tuck all these wires up in the headliner area. They give you a little tool right here and it helps you tuck it up in there. And I've done it before and it looks real clean. You can get them all hidden. All right, we got all the cameras plugged in and they're all working. We're just gonna get all these wires out of the way. We're gonna start with the 2 rear cameras because those are gonna run a little different path. The path will be the same until here. The 2 rear cameras will go this way and the front camera cable will go down here. Tuck it underneath here so it can plug into here. All right, guys, we got all the cameras hooked up. All the wires are tucked in real nice, hidden, can't even see them. Let's take this thing for a spin. Oh, check this out. So I got the rear camera right here, right underneath the tailgate here. Got it hidden up in there real nice. And I got the in-cabin camera. The in-cabin camera is overlooking the back. All right, let's take it for a spin. There it is, guys. Everything's hooked up. Look how awesome that looks. That thing is so cool. I got all 3 cameras up there right now. You can also do each individual camera. Show front camera. And there's the whole front camera. Rear camera. In addition to the voice command, you can also swipe. There's all your cameras. Rear camera, bumper camera. Look how cool that bumper camera is. I'm gonna leave it on all the cameras right now. We're gonna take it for a drive. Let's do it. Check out all the views. It looks awesome. Oh yeah, that's great. That's a great view. That's the bumper camera. All right, guys, check out how clear everything looks. It's a beautiful day out. You can see the sky and the clouds. You can see all the cars coming and going. Here's some footage from the highway. Again, crystal clear. 4K. Everything is captured. All the little details. Here's some night footage, and again, it looks clear. Everything is crystal clear. Check out the rear cam. You can see everything in the bed of the truck. Crystal clear. And this is what I really like. This is the additional camera, the bumper camera. Alright guys, the third camera is actually designed for the front bumper. It's okay, you can put it on the rear bumper like I did. You can put it on the back of a camper, an RV, anywhere that you need to see what's happening, you can put that camera. And I decided to put it low on the rear bumper so I could see when I'm backing up to hook up my trailer. It works great. Wolfbox has created a really nice app for the G900 Tri-Pro. Download the app when you buy the unit, and it allows you complete access to the G900 Tri-Pro. All the files that you've recorded on the SD card, you can access through your Wi-Fi smart device, iPhone, anything with Wi-Fi, Android. It allows you access to those files, and you can play them back directly on your Wi-Fi device. Guys, go check them out. Wolfbox, G900 Tri-Pro. Check out the link in the description. All right, guys, see you on the next one.